This is not a substitute for professional help, and thank you for not suing me. Hello and welcome to another mindful tidbit to help you take your attention back. I'm your host, Asher. I'm an expert at existing. Today is just a sitting and existing. Nothing to do in particular. And if you stick around to the end, I will attempt a precision jump from that corner behind me up to this ledge over here. We'll see how that goes. So, all you have to do is set an intention to check in with your body and the world around you. If you'd like, you can start by taking a couple of deeper, deliberate breaths. On the in-breath, you can invite a lengthening of the spine, straightening, and an expanding of the rib cage in all directions. And on your out-breath, you can invite some relaxation into the common tension areas like your brow, your shoulders, and your neck. And then you can just allow your breathing to do its thing, and your body, and then even your mind. Just when you notice your mind wanders, you can gently pull your attention back to some sensation that your body is actually experiencing. So if this practice helped you feel more connected to your body and the world around you, you're invited to put your device to sleep and take this practice out into the real world. I really appreciate you giving me some of your attention, and take care with the rest of it.